Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a light sweep effect in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm just going to add some images to the track and select transition, select light effect, and you can find light sweep 2, just add to the track and adjust for duration in 1 second. Hide all the clips. See the result. Alright, you can also combine with effect. Go to effect, select light effect 2 and select horizontal place 2, but this is for effect. You have to join purpose to be able to use this. Add to the track and adjust the duration until the end of the clip. See again. So that's how you can create this effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.